line segment in the ratio of m is to n. We have taken a line segment. The point, any one of the point, it's dividing the line segment in the ratio of m is to n. We need to find out that point x comma y is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Let us recall again. The point divides AB, line segment AB. The point divides the line segment in the ratio m is to n. So it is dividing internally. So we need to find out what is that point. The point we have taken as x comma y. Then x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y is equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Let us see. Let us draw the coordinate axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. I have drawn the x-axis and y-axis. On this, the point of coordinate of x-axis and y-axis, let us take it as O. And this, let us take line segment as AB on this. AB is the line segment. Line segment is AB, and it is given that a point divides AB, line segment. A point divides line segment AB in the ratio of m is to n. So the point is taken as P. Let us take the point P x comma y. P x comma y. P divides AB. P divides, P is the point and AB is the line segment. P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. A line segment, the point P divides AB. AB is the line segment. P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. We need to find out the point P x comma y. This is the point P x comma y. So P x comma y is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here, let us take in this line segment, if we draw from A to the perpendicular line to OX. This is OX is the, we know that OX is a horizontal line. We draw from O to A to OX, a perpendicular line, and also P to OX, another perpendicular line, and B to OX is another perpendicular line. We have drawn the three perpendicular lines, that is from A to OX, P to OX, and B to OX. OX is a horizontal line. So after drawing the three perpendicular lines from the points of A, P, B, let us draw another perpendicular line from A to the PX. A to PX we have drawn, and another perpendicular line from P to B, from B to what we have drawn to OX, that is P, and the line which is drawn to perpendicular line of OX. So we join a perpendicular line here, and this is another perpendicular line, and let us take the names of this here. Let us take these 3 points as, we have taken AB, and let us take C, D, E, and let us take this point as H and K. So now, in this, let us recall what we have drawn the figure is AB1. AB is a line segment. P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So m and n are the m and n is the ratio, and P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So after drawing the line segment, we draw the perpendicular lines from A to OX, P to OX, and B to OX again. So after that, from A to this line, we have drawn a perpendicular line. From P to this line, we have drawn a perpendicular line again. Then after that, we have taken some names as C, D, E, and here H and K. So now let us see. Let us take the names of this. What we have taken, that is CD is equals to. We have drawn the parallel. It is when we draw a perpendicular line to P to OX and A to OX, and then the two lines become parallel to each other, and then CD is a line segment. It is equals to AH. So CD is equals to AH is equals to. We can see that the distance between these 2 points is, we need to take the distance of x point and x point here, the point of x and point of x here. So to take that x points, we need to take the point of A and B first. So let us take A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. We have taken, let the points are, let A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2 are the 2 points, and which is dividing P is x comma y. P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. The ratio is m is to n we have taken. So here, to find out the distance between C and D, to find out the distance between AH, that is CD is equals to AH, we know to find out the distance between these 2 points, we need to take the x coordinates, the difference of x coordinates that are here x and here x1. So this is CD is equals to AH is equals to x minus x1. Now we need to find out the distance between these 2 points of PK, that is DE. PK is equals to DE is equals to, we know the distance between these 2 points we need to find out. So the distance between these 2 points is nothing but the distance of x coordinates from here and the x coordinates from here. Let us see, the x coordinate of this is x2 and here x coordinate is x. So the difference between these two, or the distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x1. Sorry, this is the difference between these 2 points is D is equals to, and PK is equals to x2 minus x. This is x comma y. So x2 minus x. So we found here CD is equals to AH is equals to x minus x1, and D is equals to PK is equals to x2 minus x. So let us find out the other points also. Here we can see there is a distance between these 2 points PH. TH is equals to, we know the distance between these 2 points. To find out the distance between these 2 points, we have to take the distance of y coordinate and the distance of y coordinate. And here the distance of y coordinate is, the distance of y coordinate here is y, and the distance of y coordinate here is y1. So the distance between these 2 points PH is equals to, PH is equals to is y minus y1. So to find out the distance between these 2 points, we found the y coordinates, the distance between y coordinates, that is y minus y1. So to find out the distance between these 2 points of BK, PKB, PKB, from the triangle AHP, from the triangle AHP, this is the triangle, AHP is a triangle, AHP is one of the triangle, and another triangle is, this is, so PKB is another triangle. From these 2 triangles we can observe that Observe that these two are having the same parallel lines. This is a parallel line and this is another parallel line, so that these two are having the same parallel lines, and then these two are parallel lines, corresponding angles will be equal. Corresponding angle to here, these two angles will be equal, and the corresponding angle of A is equals to angle P, angle A is equals to angle P, and angle H is equals to angle K, and the corresponding angles will be equal. And we know that this is a transversal line, and these two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines, and this is AB is a transversal, and then corresponding angles will be equal. Then we can say that triangle AHP and triangle PKB are congruent triangles. Then if the two triangles are congruent, we know that the two triangles are having the sides in the same proportion. So let us take the sides of these two triangles. AP and AP divided by PB is equals to AH divided by PK is equals to HP divided by BK. We know that the two triangles are congruent here. From triangle AHP and triangle PKB, these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, and then their corresponding sides will be in the same proportion. So their corresponding sides are here are AP by PB, AP divided by PB, AP divided by PB is equals to AH divided by PK, and HP divided by BK. So HP divided by BK. So here we have taken corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So let us see what are the corresponding sides here. So AP is equals to, we can see here, AP is a value of n. We know that P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So we know that it is dividing in the ratio of m is to n. So the value of AP is equals to m, and we know that the value of BP is equals to n. So we have taken AP is equals to m and BP is equals to n. We know AP by BP is equals to m by n. When we divide these two, we will be getting m by n. So here we know that AH by PK, the value of AH is equals to x minus x1 divided by PK. The value of PK is equals to, we know that here the value of PK is x2 minus x1. Value of PK is equals to x2 minus x it is. So here the value of PK is equals to D is equals to x2 minus x. So PK is equals to x2 minus x. So AH is x minus x1, and PK is equals to x2 minus x. Now let us take the value of HP or PH. The value of PH or HP is equals to y minus y1. So this is the value y minus y1 divided by the value of BK. The value of BK is equals to, you know that, y2 minus y. So this is y2 minus y. Here we got m by n is equals to x minus x1 is divided by x2 minus x is equals to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. So let us simplify this one. To simplify this, let us take first m by n is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Then after we will take m by n is equals to this value y minus y1 by y2 minus y. First let us take this value. M by n is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. N by n is equals to, we have taken these two values, n by n is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. So that is n by n is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Let us do cross multiplication here. When we do cross multiplication, we will be getting m into x2 minus x is equals to n into x minus x1. Let us recall, by doing cross multiplication, m into x1, x2 minus x, n into x2 minus x is equals to n into x minus x1. So let us multiply mx2 mx, mx2 minus mx is equals to nx minus nx1. So here we multiply with this n. So now we can observe there is a value of x here and x here, and this is a value of x1 and x2. So let us separate the value of x. Then mx2, this nx1, when we take to this side, it becomes plus nx1 is equals to nx, and when we take this minus mx to this side, it becomes plus mx. Let us recall, minus nx1 we taken to this side plus nx1, and minus mx we have taken to the right hand side, it becomes plus mx. Now in this two we can observe there is nothing is common, so mx2 plus nx1 is equals to, from this we can see that there is a x common in this. So let us take x common, then x into, it becomes m plus n. There is m here and there is n here, so m plus n will be left out. When we take an x common in this 2, so we will be getting m plus n. So here this is m plus n is in multiplication with x. So let us transpose m plus n to this side. So we will be getting mx2 plus nx1, multiplication changes to division. So divided by m plus n is equals to x. So the value of x we got here, that is x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So the value of x is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Let us find out the second one, that is m by n is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. So m by n is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. So let us do cross multiplication of it. Then we'll be getting m into y2 minus y is equals to m into y minus y1. So here we done m into y2 minus y is equals to m into y minus y1. So let us multiply with this. So we'll be getting m into y2 and y2 minus m into y and y is equals to n into y and y minus n into y1 and y1. We know that, like before, we'll transpose the values. We'll be getting here my2 plus ny1 is equals to my. My we are taking to this side, so my plus ny. We know that this is same as it is. We need to write because there is nothing is common in this. So my2 plus my1 is equals to, there is a common of y in this too. So y we can take common of y. So y into, then we will be getting here n plus n. So m plus n and y are in the multiplication form. Let us transpose m plus n. Then we will be getting m by 2 plus n by 1 divided by n plus n is equals to y. So here we got the value of y is equals to m by 2 plus n by 1 by n plus n. Like here, what here? That is y is equals to m by 2 plus n by 1 by n plus n. So when P divides AB, the ratio of m is to n, P divides AB, P is a line segment, and P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n, and then the points are ax1, y1 and bx2, y2, the P is x, y, then the coordinates are x is equals to mx2 plus mx1 by n plus n, and y is equals to m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n.